All right, guys, we've talked about this topic a bunch of times. Hemi versus Hurricane. What is the best engine for you? And there's a lot of debate on this. And what I love now is it's no longer you have one without the other. I am so glad Ram bought this back because there is a ton of people that want this engine. But you have to ask yourself, is it the right engine for you? And what do you believe out there? There's some people saying out there right now that they're selling this engine 3-to-1 to the Hurricane engine, and other people are saying this is 3-to-1 selling versus that being 3-to-1. I'm gonna give you guys what I have found, and I'm gonna share with you guys what the data shows. Okay, first off, let's just start with the Hurricane engine. We've gotten 30,000 miles approximately of towing, day-to-day reviews, everything with the Hurricane. Standard output, high output, low gearing, high gearing, premium, regular fuel, everything. Yet to have a problem with the Hurricane engine. Knock on wood, I hope it doesn't happen. But for our needs, we've been really happy with it. And now we're talking about engine break-in and what we're seeing. The fuel economy is coming up on this engine. It's great. The Hemi. Is it true that the Hemi is outselling the Hurricane engine 3-to-1 right now? Well, I reached out to our friends at Mark Dodge to ask them, largest Ram dealership in the United States. What are you guys seeing? Are you seeing more people wanting this? Or are you seeing more people wanting the Hurricane? What they're seeing right now is almost a 1-to-1 comparison, Hurricane and Hemi. Now what's tough is today is when you start separating high output versus standard output, because as you guys know, most of the high outputs are gonna be with the RHO and tungstens because you cannot get the high output in some of the lower trim levels. Question is, which engine is right for you? So as I've mentioned before, guys, we just did the review on the 5.7 Hemi and we did our towing with that earlier this winter. I was impressed by the 5.7 Hemi. It's got a nice little throaty rumble now. I'm really happy to see that. The one we specifically had, I think it had the 392 gearing, so it kind of give it a little bit better towing performance. The engine I'm really excited about, especially with the Rumblebee coming, is more the 6.4. For my needs, I'd like to have that little bit more low-end torque, an extra 75 horsepower, extra 7,500 pound-foot of torque. I think that motor is awesome, and I love that it doesn't have the eTorque system. eTorque's a great option if it works for your lifestyle. It just doesn't work for me. So, fuel economy. This is a highly debated topic, and I'm gonna be honest with you, man, the Hemi does really good for fuel economy from what I've seen from my personal use on the highway and towing. It is as good from what I've seen. Where does the Hurricane shine? Specifically, guys, especially this engine right here, the standard output Hurricane, I have found really excels at fuel economy. 55 to 65 miles per hour, absolutely incredible fuel economy. Towing performance, man, this is another subjective thing. They make power so differently, especially when we start talking about the high output that our RHO has. It just builds power so differently than the Hemi and the standard output. I actually prefer the standard output below 2,500 RPMs. It just feels like the little smaller turbos. It just seems to light up on power a little bit more. But once you get beyond 2,500, the high output really feels a lot stronger. And then you've got the 5.7 Hemi, which feels a little bit stronger at the higher RPMs also, because it just doesn't have that low end torque of a boosted engine. No doubt, right? So according to Google, this is what it says, the Hurricane versus Ram 1500 sales comparison. And it's saying right now more than 2.5 times the rate of the Hurricane engine. We're going to see, is this accurate based on what Google is telling us? It's saying 2.5 times faster sales velocity than a slower moving, facing initial consumer skepticism, the Hurricane. Target share, it's projected to stabilize between 35 to 40%. So maybe they're building up the inventory, but then once things stabilized, they're saying makes up the remainder alongside the base Pentastar. So the Pentastar, from my understanding, is typically about 10% of their sales volume. So that meant the other 90% was V8. So if you take 100 minus 10, that's 90%. If they're saying the 5.7 is only 35% of the market share plus 10% Pentastar, according to this, that would mean 55% of the sales is still going to be the Hurricane. So we might be seeing this initial sales velocity, but once the things stabilize, the Hurricane, they're saying, is going to be the projected long-term kind of winner here. And it kind of talks about severely backordered. Ram cannot build them fast enough. I'd be curious to hear from other dealers. Are you seeing this? Can they not keep up? Because according to Mark Dodge, they're not seeing much of an issue there. Talks about the 10,000 initial order. Yep, we know that. Why do you go for the Hemi? Well, the sound, we know that. The culture, proven long-term durability, and a bizarre premium pricing structure. This is according to Google, guys, not me. Due to manufacturing efficiencies and fully amortized research costs, the Hemi is highly profitable for Stellantis. However, on lower mid-level trims, Ram hit buyers with a premium upcharge to get the V8 over the standard output Hurricane engine. Truck buyers have shown they are completely willing to pay a premium money for a slower, less efficient engine vehicle just to secure a V8. And guess what? If I'm Ram, I want to sell a Hemi too because you're more profitable versus the Hurricane. So if I'm Ram, I'm going to be trying to bust out these things as quick as possible if I can make more money. So when we look over at the Ram website and we look at engines out there, you could see they got what, 95,000 of Ram 1500s available right now in transit, in stock, being built. And then you compare that to, if we look at the Hurricane engine and the standard output specifically, what, 37,000? And then we look at the Hemi, it's about 37,000. So if we look at Ram's website, if we look at Car Guru's, the numbers look very similar 1-to-1. Is that a reflection of which engine's better? No. But at least it kind of gives you guys a little bit of an idea of what's out there. The dealership I'm at right here, I'm just gonna kind of see what they've got. I see one 5.7 right now. Let me see, I see another one. Here's a white 5.7. This is actually a pretty slick looking truck. That is a Bighorn. Let's see. These guys normally carry a pretty good selection of Hemi trucks. I'm excited to hear if we ever get a chance to see a tungsten truck. I think that'd be pretty neat. They don't actually have a ton of Hemis here available right now. So I'm seeing like maybe 4 or 5 that's available right at the moment. I'm seeing Laramies, Bighorns. Here's another Laramie. That's a Hemi, but a 2500. By the way, is that a good looking truck or what? I really like that. That is not a Hemi, and we got a Warlock. I'm pretty sure the Warlock is a Hurricane truck. Yep, the Warlock is a Hurricane truck. This is a pretty sweet truck for the money. You get the nice looking off-road tires. Warlock, $57,000 next to a Bighorn. Man, 64,000 bucks. It's just wild to me. Cloth interior trucks bringing this kind of money. Big, 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 big money. Here's another Hemi, another Hemi. Okay, so I would say, to me, at this lot, I do think there are more Hurricane trucks. But generally speaking, if we go to ram.com and if we talk to Mark Dodge, they're showing almost 1-to-1. So the question is, which engine would you guys go with and why? Do you want a 5.7 Hemi? Do you want a standard output? What would you prefer? I think there's a case for both of them. If I was actually doing a lot of highway driving at certain specific speeds, man, I see the value in both. For me personally, I still fall back to the original. There's a Hemi going by as we speak. You can hear that awesome exhaust note. But I'm a big fan of the Hurricane just because it's chill. I love boosted performance. I think being the inline 6-cylinder engine in the future, I still think it's going to be phenomenal in reliability and everything. But hey, before we go, one thing you guys are going to be excited about, we've got more Hemi stuff coming here just in a few weeks. You guys are going to be super stoked about this. Can't share a whole lot, but I'm excited to share this with you guys soon. How bad do we want a 392 in a 1500 non-Rumblebee? I would love to see a Warlock option. Even, I don't know if I'd necessarily say an RHO, but even just a regular 1500 Laramie, that'd be really sweet. You got selection, you got options. I love it. Love to get your guys' thoughts. Thanks for watching.